I would say one of the main goals is to provide necessities to people going through difficult situations. HandsOn K-State is an organization for students to really reach out to the Manhattan community and connect K-State students to volunteer opportunities. For me, it's one of the most fulfilling experiences that I've had, being able to see, the smiles on people's faces, to receive any kind of services, I think is amazing. It really is a huge impact. We're always looking for more volunteers. The way people can get involved with HandsOn K-State is going to the HandsOn website and signing up for our email listserv. Our opportunities are very flexible for students if they're wanting to volunteer once a month, a couple times a week. If they're just wanting to do something once on the weekend, there are always opportunities for really anybody in the community. For the student that has never gotten involved with volunteering or community service before, just taking that one chance is really going to help just spark that interest.